Here we go. What are we sharing this morning? Let's share this right here. Activate this one. Share. That bitch is still holding. Let's see, brother. Let's see. Hmm. All right. So, what we have this. What we have this. Channel. All right. Let's see how they want to play this. See. Uh, trade. 30-second. Patience it up. This with yourself. Understand the system requires you to do something. So let's get this bitch cracked. You gotta wake this motherfucker. It's fucked up how they fucking even the red one we're looking for. We're gonna see what happens. They're just up high. It's doing nothing. Yes, I'm really like, so to speak. See it on the 1 minute. I got no gap going on right now. Matter of fact, that bitch just gapped up. Just gapped up. None of it matters, bro. All we got is entry to point of interest, bro. That's it, bro. It's not every candle. It's only based on volume about for the turnaround. The next point of interest for me, man. Anything that happens in between with every candle is irrelevant. Use that. Use that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put break even these cards. I got two. Fill one out aggressively. Let one hit the damn thing. Not aggressively. Matter of fact,
Stop filled.
oh, too fast. But it might go sweep that again. What flow is this? 923 candle. So that might be a little fast. I'll take us up. Fact. Yeah, it is what it is. I just saw this warm up the car for the system that we can be riding in this one. Make sure that it's not too cold outside for the get it and just drive. So warm this nervous system up a little bit. 923 on 36. So that's at least to our point of interest. So that's cool right there. I'm also looking at yes, it might be forming to go as well right now. You got 1, 2 highs, 3 highs. If they sweep through all of them at the same time, we got action. So Just being aware of that, but also being aware that the market is about to open, and we're gonna just fucking sit back and relax. Do what? You should be still. You shouldn't. I mean, I'm at break even. Whatever. I don't know how far you got in behind me, but I'm not really worried about this morning. It's pre-market. I mean, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not really focused on the move is going to come during the New York session. This is not the move. So yeah, and even if it's talking down, I'm still cool. Which means I should have left my stop loss at the fucking low 920. So I'm not feeling fucking good. Don't let this shit go fucking
Stop
zero
filled.
for you. That's for sure. Even though it's a normal trade, but still, I mean, damn. So there was another 30-second entry. Yes, that came through the PSP. Hello. Yeah, they swept the fucking 910. There's still a 30-second entry at the top. They gave two 30 seconds. One of the 30 seconds was on YM, and the other one was on ES. So there were two of them. They swept the one on ES. They didn't sweep the one on YM. That's cool. That's big fucking big. So, all right. Let's get these MYMs ready. MQs ready. Oh, stop loss is still holding now. If that's what I mean, Dally, I'm out. But just knowing that where we put the stop loss at, just be aware of where we had it at originally and why I wait 5 on the 30 seconds, 5 to 10 minutes on the 30 seconds. And I didn't even wait 5 to 10 minutes. And that should be a rule. You understand how the rules work is different. It's different, bro. I'm just saying. This is why I set the rules. Because if you're right, they're going to give you one more SMT on the bottom in order to goddamn take it up. And right now, they're giving the SMT on the bottom. ES and YM got an SMT and NQ as well. NQ and ES are doing the same thing. They gave the SMT on the bottom at the 913 candle. So let's see if they want to goddamn fucking let YM go up. Market is about to open. I got them shooting up, taking out that 30-second point of interest because that's all there. Worst case scenario, they tap into the not really worst case scenario. Shit. Worst case scenario, they tap back into that volume imbalance that changed the state of delivery all the way back up. That first volume imbalance. So let's see what they want to do with this. I'm watching it. I'm gonna let the first. Huh? Market over in 1 minute. We should see some action. I should probably be share it. Share it. I'll just keep an eye on fucking other shit. So what I would like to see is a SMT on the actual high. If we're gonna go back down, I would like to see an SMT above the actual minute highs right there at 851. That would be awesome. So let's see how they play it. They come in big candles. They're about to fucking click in. Sure can. As a matter of fact, I don't even need to be on a 30-second. It's all 1 minute from here. Um, I'll keep the 30-second chart. Just keep it. I still got that 30-second for sure. So, um, there you go. I am in 1 minute. I see it. I see it happen. See it happen. Let's see. There's a. Is there a PSP right here? Let's see what happens. Let's let them run, do their thing. Ain't got no anxiety because I know what they do at the open, and they always get moved through the 144. It's not leaving without me. So I'm comfortable. Candles printing, you know, for sure. Uh, where is the PSP? It did displace to the bottom. Where is it? I don't fucking see. Oh, that's because it's the same candle. That's why. It don't matter. I mean, if I'm not like they, but it should go down. Yeah, you got the so up the high. If it closes below that wick, that is a sell, dude. But I'm not gonna take that shit. If I do, I'll put one. The 7:30 candle is too close right there. The 7:30 open. That's why I'm not gonna take it. When I say it's like right there, it's only like one candle away. If it closes on that wick, it don't have that fucking far to go. So we're looking at the high on the line currently on the reverse going back up. I got a high on the line on ES as well. YM is going down. That's cool. Of course, they're the only one who's swept that level. Did they close past that level? Let me see. Now they're about to close past that level. I love seeing close past that level. So let's go back to the fucking one. That's cool. Eyes printing. Uh, they're going back up to that 30-second now on ESQ. NQ is almost to that 30-second marked out over here on the side. I'm not going to switch over and show it. I got a 30-second chart, but I don't have this one. I'll just keep it out. Keep switching back and forth. I'll just look over. I got point of interest being hit on. I got a lower 9-minute point of interest about to be hit on NQ. I mean, right now. All the way to the bottom. We're about to be bullish. I'm gonna wait till we get the change of state down at the bottom. When I say it's down on YM, it's at the 112 candle, 1 a.m., 112 a candle. It's almost there from YM. I had that marked up fucking. Oh, it just ran through it. It just tapped right into it right now. They might give a turnaround at that point in time. Let's see what my. Okay, I got a 30-second is hit on NQ on the top side. I got that's on the 30-second. 30-second on ES. I got a swing high going through 144 as well. I got a swing high on let me see how on it. Close high is 42. High is 42. That's a equal. Use that. It's got to be a funny swing. Why did shit down there? Fuck time. It's a fucker. 30-second got hit. Target. Is there a volume imbalance up there? Come back down real quick. Let's see. I'm still watching ES on the 30-second as well. I'm watching ES on 1 minute as well. I'm watching it how it just printed as a doji on the line. I got volume imbalance on the 30 seconds where close 73.50 open 74. That is a volume imbalance right there. All right, so that 30-second got hit, but it has not closed back below the volume imbalance for a sell or anything. Not that I want to sell, I want to buy. I'm looking at the 1 minute on YM because of that 9-minute target it just hit. I'm not seeing anything on it as of right yet. I'm not going to gauge it up to 30 seconds. So, being aware of this macro, we're just closing below that 30-second right now. Damn, they dropped it down. They're not going to give you a chance to get in there. So, let's see if it closes below that volume balance on that 30-second for the sale. I don't want to take sales though. I'm still looking at this 1 minute on the on ES. That looks real good. I got two highs, swing highs on ES right there. That looks real prime. If I get a green candle go through both of those at the same time, we might be in business, bro. So let's see if they want to continue up. Let's hold on for a second. Just boom, boom. If they're doing anything. Yeah. Yeah, there's no entry right there. Let that go on a 30-second. Yep, that's cool. Should take that from the sale. Stop loss would have to go to the fucking highs. But I'm waiting. Yeah. So, yeah, that 30-second was a jump right there. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. On 1 minute and the 30-second. That 30-second hit would have been fucking fantastic, but the candle was too long. If it blew right through the volume imbalance on the 30-second, there's no way to fucking get in that shit. There was a way, but I don't take that kind of shit. But anyway, we're gonna wait, bro. We got plenty of time. Where's the volume imbalance? This fucking YM. That's what I want to see. We're going back up. Shit. We ain't got no volume imbalance until close 49, open 49. Volume imbalance is what's coming up to the volume imbalance for a buy right now. If we're gonna utilize all three and just go off the narrative, closure above the 932 volume imbalance on YM would signify a buy, but I'm not going to do it because of what NQ and ES is currently doing. That would be crazy. I am looking at the high on ES though. I am looking at it just closed past on that volume imbalance on the side, so we might be bullish. We might be bullish. Yeah. I look at ES on 1 minute. If ES closes through this high and the other high right now at the same time, we got PSP action. We got to find a PSP for it to retrace back into it. We'll be off to the top side. Give me 3 big. Give me one. It's one big candle. One big green candle. One big green candle. Come on, baby. I need you to sweep through the 935 and the 933 candle all at the same time. We already got a gap in the leg. So the gap down. And it's got a volume imbalance between the 938 and 937 candle already on ES. That's a good sign. I'm gonna go ahead and look for the PSP, wherever the fuck that may be. We only one minute. Find just in case. Let's find it just in case. If it does go from here, if it does, the PSP candle will be the 936 candle. Give me a green candle. And you creating another swing high. That's cool. That's cool. We're gonna wait this out. create another swing high on that line to the upside. If you take all three of them at the same time, shit, you be in the game. Right? Let's see if they want to continue down. I'm still watching it on the downside. I'm watching the swing low on 937 as well. I'm watching that. I'm watching it. YM create a high, swing high on the line right now. YM is all out of whack. That shit's fucked up. They so far out of whack. Who traded into a 9-minute PO? ESP. Oh, yeah. Oh, the top side. Yeah, I see it. I see. Gotta go back to the 9. Yeah, I gotta switch chart. I got 9-minute chart separate. I have to switch over to the so I don't have all these lines on the fucking chart. On 1 minute. Line is creating a swing high on the line. This is what we need to see. I want to see one big candle go through these fucking lines and then wait for that retracement back down to the PSP. I wanted to go through the top side. Shit. I'm looking at fucking low to 936, the low at 940 as well. I'm still looking. There's a narrative for both plays. You just gotta watch what happens with what on these two. And I'm only gonna have to gauge this off of fucking ES and Q. So let's see. I got a swing high being broke through at 939 right now on ES. Okay, fair value gap. Whereas, yep, I got a volume imbalance at 939 and 940. That's if it keeps going. Let's see. Nope, they don't want to keep going. Cool, don't worry. I ain't fucking Johnny. I ain't scaring me out of my position, bro. I already know what the fuck I'm about to do. If y'all gonna give it to me, if y'all not. If y'all give it to me, y'all not. Ain't no way. Wait, dude. Let's go. Bottom side. What's that low right there? 940. Low is what? 8.50. Low 8.75. That is a swing low at 940 on ES. I mean YM. Sorry, goddamn. NQ. That is a swing low. It looks like two candles together, but the numbers don't say that. The numbers say it's a quarter tick lower. So red candle displacement through that bottom is a good thing. We'll see. That 730 is right there as well, so I'm gonna be aware of that. But I don't have a fair value gap or a volume balance to go down through it, so it really ain't gonna matter, dude. I mean, because it's got to have something in the leg. Let's see if there's one. I can't. There is one. There is a volume imbalance between the high right there, but it don't matter because it just turned around. So we're gonna take this step by step, candle by candle on this line till they fucking show exactly what it is that we gonna do. Let me take a glance at the 3-minute real quick because I haven't looked at it at all. They're nowhere near it. And line is I don't know what's the line. Don't matter. All right, back to the 1 minute. 30-second printed a high on the line. Going to the top side. ES just broke through it on the 30-second. Okay, boom. YM, NQ, and ES just broke through one high. Matter of fact, NQ just broke through two highs. They closed there. We'll be looking for the PSP at the origination. Okay, boom. It just closed above. We had a PSP at where? Where's the fucking PSP, bro? Where's the PSP at? Same close, same candle. YM. I gotta use it. Same close, same candle. This might keep going. I gotta get a change of state on YM before I pull the trigger though. The stop loss will be below 942 as of right now. Let's see what YM does for the change. If they give us a change of state on YM. If this shit is out of whack, there ain't nothing I can do with YM, bro. Because if YM just starts fucking falling randomly, it's gonna be fucked up. But this right here is the play to the top side. So as of right now, we're still in the macro. So let's Just be careful with what we're looking at. I'm watching YM very closely. It's got a volume balance that I would like to see it close above in order to take these buys. All the news is done, so holy shit! Don't you fucking do that, you fucking. Got volume balances being printed on YM. Just waiting for a closure back above one of them, brother. We got S&P on fucking the highs, 10-minute cycle. And Q and ES, that's cool. I'm seeing you. I see it. Because that could be a sweeping of liquidity for itself. You got all those lows right down there, 942, 940, 937. Shit, 930, goddamn. All right, we gap down on YM again. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what they want to do. Oh, I'm watching y'all motherfuckers thoroughly, bro. Thoroughly. If y'all go through this, that PSP right there, that low. Let's see. Let's freaking see. This is fucking devastating. I hate YM is out of whack like this, bro, because it's kind of fucked up, but it's okay. We're gonna take our time. Boom. Yeah, if I get a close below above volume imbalance, I'll take the buys on this shit right here and put it at the most recent lows. So they keep YM is just printing fucking volume imbalance at the volume imbalance at the volume imbalance going down right now, bro. So um YM is printing volume imbalance after volume imbalance. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 volume imbalances on each candle for the past 5 candles. So close above the first one is going to be good. Whatever the first one is, I'm going to take to the buy side. Hopefully they do it now so NQ and ES don't get so far out of whack on the 1 minute. I also have an inside bar being printed on an ATT time to the bottom side. Hope that doesn't hold up. Please make that motherfucker. Please make this motherfucker green. Please turn this motherfucker green. God damn. Yeah, I don't need it to be red, but it did it on ES though. All right, we're waiting for a volume balance. Come on, goddamn volume balance. Yeah, YM is still fucking doing what YM does, man. You know something? I'm gonna goddamn glance down real quick to see if the lower time frame might have fucking did some shit. Okay, yeah, 30-second. Nope, ain't closing above volume balance. And they never did. They didn't get down and sweep the low and then close back. I want to do all of that shit. Matter of fact, let me get off the fucking goddamn 30 seconds. Let me stop being so. Oh, we do have a volume balance down here at the bottom. Man. Waiting for a sweep of the low on YM would be fucking awesome. Let me go back to the fucking one. It just closed back above 15 second. And it's closing above 1 minute right now. Jesus Christ. Okay. Let's see what they want to do, bro. I'm gonna enter as soon as it closes. As soon as YM closes above this volume imbalance. Matter of fact, I want to wait for the second volume imbalance, bro, because the first wick is lower on YM. The 947 wick is lower. I should just go ahead, but let's see. I still need a 1 minute closure. Stop loss is still going to go at the lows of 946, 942, blah, 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 blah. And we're still early now. It's 950, bro. So don't be confused. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter one. I'm entering one to see what these motherfuckers want to do. Shit, preferably below the 930 candle. But technically speaking, it shouldn't go back nowhere near that. All right. Let's see if they want to fucking run it out, bro. You want to fucking risk it for the biscuit. 3, 4. I mean, something. I got mine below the 937 candle, bro. As of right now, and I can't move it. They're gonna have to stop me out. So this is on the 1 minute, and I gotta wait 20 minutes, bro. So, it is what it is. I mean, don't get me wrong. It definitely is what it is. Whatever. Yeah, that's a lot of lows right there, bro. That's ugly, man. I got the man. 10 o'clock might fucking goddamn sweet. I ain't gonna even lie to you. One contract is definitely good for you. Don't get me wrong. On this account, goddamn, I got 5 on right now, dude. I'm gonna take one off and just leave 4. Yeah, let me just leave it at 4. That shit looking crazy as fuck. Hello. Oh, okay. All right. Let's be patient. Stick to the rule. What time is it? 9:53, 9:52. Stay with the 4 and leave it alone. We're printing a high on the 1 minute on YM, which is cool. I do expect a sweep of lows. Honestly, bro, I'm not gonna sit here and bullshit you. I expect a sweep of lows. I'm still looking at YM just made the pattern perfect on the 1 minute, bro, to the top side. Uh, PSP, for sure. I get it. I get it, brother. I get it. I understand exactly what you're doing. Let's see if you do the same thing you did yesterday. I know where the stop loss needs to go, and I know how long I gotta hold it before I can do anything. Fear does not drive me on these fucking goddamn charts, bro. We're gonna have to take it, and then I'm gonna see it again, and I'm gonna take it again. 4 is probably about the number where I need to be. So, and being that YM just printed a swing high on the line and gave the 3 candle shit, uh, yes, had the volume imbalance where I see where the volume imbalance is for ES, because there might be a fucking other entry fucking real if ES is, I mean, YM is fucking doing. Macro is still in play. It's almost 10 o'clock. Uh, is there a volume imbalance at the top anywhere? There is no volume imbalance anywhere up in these candles coming down right now. That is Fucking stupid as fuck. But anyway. Oh, we got one now. Right now, current candle 953 and 954. Close 57.25. Open 56.75. Close. Yeah. Here's one down there. So it can close below this volume bounce right here between these two candles. That low is 954, 955, ATT, 9 plus 10, 10 is 1. Let's see what they want to do. See what they want to do. That's all I can do. I'm coming into the fucking 10 o'clock. You got 7:30 lows down there. We're coming into the line now. Yeah, y'all got to stop me. I'm sorry. It is what it is. I ain't fucking. Yep, that's what y'all got to. You ain't got no fucking choice. You're fucking trade, bro. So we're gonna wait for the 10 and run it out. Go ahead, do your thing. I ain't running nowhere. I ain't running nowhere at all. All right, I'm up. Cool. That was a $427 trade. I'm cool with that. That's right where I need to be per trade. A $450 risk, no more than 5. Okay. All right. So yep. 9-minute PSP on NQ. I'm looking at it, and it's at the 7:30 open. So I'm looking at it. Let me check the 3-minute real quick. 3-minute is coming into creating a swing low on 44. I'm watching it that on the 3-minute currently. I'll have to glance back and forth between those two. So 1 minute has nothing on it at all. So that 30-second got that. Do what? I'm going back to the 1 minute now. Swing low at 9:49. No, that's too many candles, bro. Way too many candles. Technically speaking, yeah, it is, but nah, I can't do that. I'm waiting for a recent swing low on the line. See, guys, see what we just looked at 9:41 to get in, bro. This is where I want it. I want candles this close at 9:41 to the sweep at 9:43 on ES. Those 3 candles there. That's what I want. That's why I won't take this right here down, just because of that 9:49. Because I want it to look like 9:41 candle and 9:43 candle. That's what I want it to look like. That's what we got to have in order for it to work out. I mean, don't get me wrong. That was a trail. I mean, I went up, got 170 bucks, something like that in that trade. I mean, it was a trail, real quick. Yeah, it was a good trail, bro. I mean, if you're trailing, you know what I'm saying. But I'm trying to hold these bitches. I'm willing to risk it to hold it because I know what this thing is capable of. And if I got to risk $400 every time to do it, all I got to do is hit one of those trades out of 4 times. It can lose 3 times in a row, but shit, that 4th time, it's gonna be a fucking $3,000 trade, bro, because it's gonna go absolutely and absolutely wipe out everything that so-called got lost. POIs. Yeah, I'm looking closely at the lows. I'm I'm looking at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is coming in. 10 o'clock is coming in. Um, let's see what they want to do. We're at the 7:30 open. It's bouncing off. If it goes through the 7:30 open, we're going to the downside. Do what? I hear you, brother. I hear you. Yeah, as you should. And that's why they make demo accounts, though. I mean, I get it. I mean, trying is trying, but I mean, here's what it is, bro. Ain't no big deal. Yeah, worst case scenario, get another account. Shit. But you then, but if you ain't taking no notes to see why it didn't work, this shit it don't make no difference. Or if it does work, it still don't make no difference. So if you ain't calculating and jotting down what you saw, why you got in it, and where you think it's heading to, or whatever the case may be, I got a high printing on 144 on 1 minute. Let's see. Also have a high printing on the 1 minute. We got sweep of those lows, dude. That's cool. Uh, some lows. Um, yeah, it's got to sweep that news candle low, bro. That's what I'm looking at. The news candle low on NQ and ES. Of course, why I'm already scripting. Now we're about to go through the 7:30. It looks like it. If it displaces through, to what? Yeah, we got displacement. Uh, Not yet. It ain't closed past the fucking goddamn fucking swing low. That's on the line. It's got to close past the 958 candle, and that will solidify us going down, dude. Uh, Still wait. Let's wait till it's 10:30. Do this thing. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. Do this thing. We still got 17 minutes in the macro, so we're gonna try this motherfucker again. I ain't fucking got. I ain't never scared, bro. Never fucking scared. I'm gonna trade this fucking strategy because I know this motherfucker work. Let's go. I got fucking ES making that high on the line. I would like to have a green candle go through it, but I don't have a volume balance in that price leg, so it doesn't even fucking matter. So scratch that. Matter of fact, it did gap up. The 1003 candle gapped up in 1 minute. That's cool. I can use it still if it goes through. One at a time. One candle at a time. Still watching the 30-second. They got a high printed on the fucking 144 to the top side. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We got a 3 minute on the bottom side on yes. See if they want to displace through. They displace through that 3 minute on the bottom side. Yes, we're going down. Q and yes. Yeah, I'm 3 minute, brother. 3 minute hold a little bit more weight right now. because the 1 minute is not doing anything on any asset right now. There's no 3 candles for me on the 1 minute at all, anywhere. It's got to be 3 for me. So you can play around with that 6 shit if you want to, but it is what it is, bro. Good luck with that. It's hit or miss. So 3 minute is showing very clear at the 1003 displacement. If it closes below the swing low, 3 candles, ES 3 minute. That's if it closes. That's the only shit I'm looking for, bro. The same shit we got in on for the buys is the same shit I'm about to look for on the sales. And we got a PSP at the origination if it closes. And that candle that's printing doesn't have a top wick, which means the PSP is right there too if they do it. Say what? Nope, they didn't give you nothing. They didn't give me nothing on that bit. Did they give me a volume balance anywhere? I got a volume balance at the origination. You what? I can't hear you, bro. So we swept the news candle on NQ on the 3 minute, of course, and the 1 minute. Let's see. We got plenty of fucking time, bro. Plenty of fucking time. Go ahead, dude. Go ahead. Go ahead. Shit. Goddamn. One minute. Check one minute. Real quick. Nope. Absolutely not. Which one? Okay, I can't hear you, bro. Bro, I'm looking at the 3 minute right now. ES, bro. I said it's setting up on ES right now on the 3 minute. Yeah, one makes you guess and one doesn't allow you to guess. You're choosing the guessing route, bro. I'm not choosing the guessing route. I want 3 candles because of this right here that's happening right now on the 1 minute. I'm looking at the 1 minute. It looks noisy. They printed another low on the 3 minute on ES right now. That's all I'm looking at, bro. I'm not looking at all those noise candles. I want one swing low, and I want the next 2 candles to fall through it. That's it. I don't want anything else. It just happened on NQ as well. If it does fall through, the PSP will be at 10 a.m. Let me check YM real quick. If it does, if it, excuse me, it already hit the top side, bro. It hit the top side already. I'm not looking at that. Uh, yeah, the top side has been hit, and the bottom side has been hit on YM. So I got nothing based on just 9 minutes anymore. 9 minutes have nothing anymore for me, bro. YM hit the bottom one, and NQ hit the top one. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. Now we're waiting for the setup on the line. So both sides been hit at opposite times of the spectrum. I can't gauge that. I, I, I can't gauge the direction when both of them somebody did something different on in both points of interest, bro. Not when I'm looking for correlation. Correlation means they should be doing the same thing, and one should be out of whack. But I got three assets out of whack, so to speak. Well, one asset out of whack. Either way it go, it doesn't matter, bro. I'm still on this 3 minute. Still on this 3 minute. Let's see what they want to do with this 3 minute. In fact, let me take a look at the 6 minute real quick. I ain't looked at that bitch yet. 6 minutes setting up on the line on NQ. No, I got nothing with them. I'm not fucking with them. All right. We're waiting. There's no fucking 6 minute. Not right now. It's fucking what? Okay. I see you NQ and I see you ES both doing the same thing at the same time. Where's my PSP if this closes, bro? 10 o'clock candle. 10 o'clock candle is the PSP, bro. Let's see if that is the one. Matter of fact, nope, 10 o'clock is not the PSP if this closes. It'll be the 10:06 candle because 10:06 candle is red on YM. So I'm about to mark that out. I'm about to mark that 3 out. Boom, 10:06 candles marked on all assets. That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. If it keeps going, it keeps going. But this is what I'm looking for. 10:06 candle, bro. Is the PSP right now. I can't do anything until that motherfucker comes and hits that bitch on one of the assets. This is the picture perfect textbook for the only thing you're looking for. You don't have to guess about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles when this is what you're looking for. It's showing you on two charts exactly what we're looking for. Exactly. There should be no other trading system that you're trying to implement. Oh, I'm just gonna wait till it hits this PSP that we had marked out earlier. That is not gonna fly, brother. It's the most recent price action. We're not gauging the old price action. I mean, if it's a point of interest, yes, I get that. But for it's like getting in, like how we getting in, bro, nah, bro. No, 10:06 candle is the point of interest right now. I need to sweep above that, and I'm taking sales. And being that it's a 3 minute chart, I'll probably have to go down to 2 contracts or 3 contracts. Just it can't be 4, depending on if they let me in. I'm gonna scale in. I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame and see if I can find better entries. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And maybe they want to just let that bitch ride on out. I mean, let's see what they want to fucking do. So right now we're still in the fucking macro, which means fucking nothing. Why I keep saying that, but um, yeah, sweep above the 10:06 candle on the 3 minute is a go for me for a sell. So that's it. That's all I got, bro. That's the play of the day. And you got to think as well. Think as well. The pattern that we used to trade is on the 3 minute. Look at that complete run up all the way with all those green candles. The intermediate term low is at 827. It wicked below it. Now it just closed below it. Now we got to go back to the PSP. This is the old setup within the new setup. You see it? I don't know if you see that. I don't know if you remember the old setup. Intermediate term low, confirmation, close back above, and then close back below. Find the PSP after the close back below. And the PSP after the close back below is the 10:06 candle. Do you see it? I mean, it's right there. I mean, I'm not. I just saw it, but I'm still looking at the original shit that we're using now. But still, yeah, all both of those line up, bro. So that's even more confluence for me for that they want to continue down. Yeah, don't get me wrong. Yeah, this is prime to fall, bro. Like real prime to fall. And you hit the 9 minute on the top as well. Dally YM hit the one on the bottom, but it is what it is. Come on back, bro. I already know what's about to happen. Y'all ain't about to scare me out my fucking position. I'm also looking at the high on the line right now. Just being aware of it on the 144 on the 3 minute and Q's high 1006 candle that we're trying to short. Uh, we're still short. I'm just watching the candle, just in case they do pull some fuckery through the top. Uh, it's not gonna be that. It's not gonna be that specific candle that I'm looking for. They would have to create another high for me to do it. I can't just use that high and it blow through. I can't do that. But um, yeah, we're about to go down. Yeah, we're about to go down, bro. I got a good fucking goddamn fucking look on this motherfucker right now. This is the shit that we should be waiting for every fucking week. This is that showing of fire type shit. You know what? What is the I'm I'm not gonna even look at the 30 second. I'm gonna put the 1 minute up over here and watch these candles on the 1 minute real quick. Okay, I got sweep on NQ. Every asset can't sweep it. Every asset can't sweep it. Matter of fact, let me take this thing 30 seconds. Every asset. I would like to see a closure above the 1006 candle, the body, not the wick, just the body. I would like to see that, definitely. Um, let's blow this shit up, bro. We don't need no candles on the screen. We got fucking like 10 candles on the screen. That's more than enough. Soon, soon on in, brother. All right, we close above we're above on all three. We haven't swept the high of the wick on 1006 yet. That's important. That's a SMT between ES and Q currently. Let's see if they want to blow through. They're creating a high on the line right now. Let's watch that. We do have that SMT still. And Q didn't close above. I'm looking for a volume imbalance on the 30 second on ES right now to see if they want to give us something. Close 55.25 open, 55.25 close, 56.25 open, 56.25 nothing yet. Uh, there's still the SMT right there. Still watching that thoroughly. First volume balance on the 30 second is all the way down at the 1016 candle currently. Close 57.25 open 57.25. We're currently going through a 144 on the 30 second currently. All right, we don't have anything else but highs on the line being printed currently, bro. Yeah, that's it's off the table. So that tells me they're trying to go up. Not necessarily though. I've seen all three sweep, and one just sweep another external, another high to the right or left, and then continue back down. But let's hold on. Everybody closed above. Well, not NQ. NQ ain't closed above yet, but I'm still looking at the fucking 30. Yeah, I think they're about to take this up, bro. 6 minutes, you got what? Let me stay on three. I can't put some 6 minutes right now. This is important right here on the three. Uh, what's one doing real quick? Did I miss out on the one? It's coming into the one now on in queue on the 1 minute. That's cool. Coming into the 1 minute. YM 1 minute. What are you doing? YM just can't tell what fuck YM though. I mean, stick my hands up a while. Right, just 2 minutes. All right, so still waiting for this fucking close. I'm still waiting for it. In 30 seconds, gave a three padding to the upside as of right now. On ES, I'm not. I gotta wait. So this trade can't be. I can't have no big ass stop loss. Fuck that shit. All right, everybody close above on the 3 minute. Cool. This is where our pullback is about to happen at right now. Unless they just feel like they just want to just keep fucking going. And I don't get it fucked up. These motherfuckers real goddamn say fuck y'all bitches and y'all can kiss my ass. So yeah, it's too fucking far up, bro. These candles need to be a meter. They don't need to be that far out. So yeah, that's too big, bro. The candles need to stop on the line. They don't need to go all the way the fuck back up to like what it's doing on the 6 minute. That's why the 6 minute is irrelevant right now. It's getting that pullback that we need right now currently with that 730 low. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's the buys look good right now, dude. Let me let's see. 1017. Yeah. I gotta have a slight pullback to the 1017 candle, 1018 candle, bro, before I do anything. And if they do, they do. And if not, I don't know about the 50% of the PSP, but that's up to that's a you thing, brother. Somebody has to sweep my PSP, or somebody has to fail. Right now, my PSP is the 1018 candle on ES. 1018 candle. Oh man, they swept that motherfucker on the 1019. What candle closed above, bro? That was a 101830 candle. 101830. No, it's got to come back down. It's got to come back down. It's got to come back down. All right. Yeah. I got the next macro fucking goddamn tapping us in. Well, not an absolute macro, but that's when the move is gonna fucking happen, per se. Let's see. Let's see, bro. Let's fucking see. YM still fucking goddamn going. They might keep on going. Right? It is what it is. I ain't fucking goddamn. You're not gonna be able to fucking goddamn fucking shake me up from my entry. And if y'all want to go to all time highs now, goddamn, it is what it is. I got nothing on the line, on any line, uh, except for the 1 minute. And yes, it's kind of printing. I mean, we could use that one per se, but it doesn't look it doesn't look crystal clear, dude. And matter of fact, it kind of shit, dude. Hold up, dude. You know, you know, ain't got an SP yet. Yeah, all right, it's got to come back down. I can't fuck with that. All right, I got nothing. Excuse me. That's the 30 second, bro. That's the 30 second. 30 second is the 10, 17, 30 candle on the 30 second. No one has hit it. They just blew right through it. And they can do that, but they're gonna come back and get me. I'm not shit. I paid for a train. I paid for a trade ticket. My train ticket is paid for. Y'all ain't got no leave without me. Y'all coming to get me. And if y'all don't, I'm done for the day. I'm for the day. Come on back there. I see you, YM. YM taking a curve. Come on, a little bit, not much, but give me something. Yeah, I got nothing on these lines, thing. Maybe go back to the 3 real quick. So we ain't missing nothing. Yeah, that PSP we had on the 3 minute, bro. They got to come back. They got to come back and hit that shit for me to be interested in this shit. That's on you, bro. That ain't got nothing to do with the setup. That's for sure. At what? On the 1 minute? 10, 17. Okay, I don't see what you're looking at, bro. I got nothing going through my line. I'm only trading the line, bro. I mean, you can call out any PSP you want to, bro. You trying to get in on any PSP? It ain't any PSP, bro. There's PSPs all over the place. I mean, that ain't. I mean, it's the same thing as you entering on a green candle. Why it's going up? I mean, it still ain't no narrative. Yeah, macro's coming in another 12 minutes. So yeah, they ain't about to let this fucking shit fucking goddamn ride, bro. No, I already know y'all motherfuckers ain't about to let this shit ride. Let me check YM was 1 minute. Nope, not a motherfucking thing, bitch. Yeah, they gave that immediate rebalance at 10:18. They might fucking keep rolling, but whatever. I ain't fucking tripping. French read my goddamn book. 6 minutes. Nothing. Nope. Not a motherfucking thing. Come on back down, bro. Come on back down. Let me go get me some goddamn juice. Come on back down. Absolutely. All right, come on back down here, guys. All right, let's see where we at. I already know what y'all about to do, cuz I've been waiting for y'all to do it. 17, 17, 18 candle, boom, boom, boom. Where you at on the 30-second? Are you close to it? You not close to it either? Oh, you ain't that far away. Let's see. Let's motherfucking see. Yeah, 1022 could be a point of interest as well, bro. Shit, I'm looking at that on the 1 minute. Um but let me see. This candle, this candle, 1 minute. PSP is where, yeah, it would be the 1022 candle if they use that one. But I'm waiting for that 30-second. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the 1022 out just for shits and giggles on the bottom side. Well, not shits and giggles, but are you good, man? Shit. 10, 1017 for the 30-second. Just the deal. Based on ES and Q, it's the 10 10 17 30. Make sure it's right. Oh, there we go. Goddamn. Come on, hold on, wait a minute. Let me stay on the screen real quick. Um, yeah, no, 1018. My bad. Yeah, it's 1018. Yeah, 1018 on the 30-second. All right, and then it's 1022 on the 1 minute. So I'm gonna take the 1022. I want that 1018 tap in. That's what I want. But if they show me at the 1022, then I will take 1022. Was that 1022? Yeah, 1022. Yeah, that's a BSP. Boom. 1022. No one's there on that one yet. I still got the 30-second down there as well. Cool. We got 2 points of interest, one on the 30 and one on the 1 minute. And we got a change in the state on the shit, my bad. Hold on the 3 minute when it started blowing through those fucking highs that we had marked up for that PSP. When all three of those blew through, that's going to be used as a breaker block, bro. But that's the last up close candle before the sweep of liquidity down there at 10:09 and 10. Okay, we're coming back into it fast. All right, tapping into my 10:22 candle. Cool. Let's blow this up, bro. Let's not miss this motherfucker. Let's not miss this motherfucker. Boom. NQ is creating a low on the line. I see it. I see it. 10:22 candle coming in hot. The 1 minute time frame holds more weight. I still need a closure down there. It cannot just come there and touch it for me because I'm aware of the 10:20, the 10:7, 10 whatever, 18 candle. Yeah, 10:18 is still sitting down there. ES is coming. Yeah, 18 is far away on all assets. On all assets. That 22 candle looks really good. It just swept the 22 candle. I'm holding on. That 18 is far. It's too far away to pull the trigger on this motherfucker, bro. I think I might take it though. I'm gonna take it with 2. If they close above this volume imbalance right here at 10:36, I'm gonna take 2. And then if it come back and hit me out, I'll wait for the 10:18. Stop loss goes below the 10:36 candle if it goes above the volume imbalance on the 1 minute. I wish it would have gapped down and swept back up. I'm just gonna put on fucking 1, bro. Because I still got that 1/32 down low. It's very fucking crystal clear. So all right. I'm gonna take 1 and see how that rolls. Just gonna put the stop loss at the low because I know 10:18 is still down there. So let's see how they want to play it. Oh, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. They're not fucking. I'm about to get this motherfucker that shit, bro. This shadow as fuck. This should be the absolute low if it's gonna go from here. And if it closes above the 10:35 candle, I'll wait for the next red candle to get in and put in another entry and then move my stop loss up. But it's got to be a red candle. You can't add on a green candle, bro. Yeah, I should probably put a mini on that motherfucker. I want that fucking 30-second. They get me out, but it is what it is. But I ain't fucking tripping because I know that that other one is still down there. It's not gonna blow through the motherfucker, both of them. There we go. That's cool. I'm down 50. They about to kick me out. See, I know that 30-second is down. This is what people ain't aware. People ain't aware of these damn levels, bro. I swear they ain't. Evidently not. All right. Cool. I'm good with that. Boom. Here we go. We coming into that 30-second on YM right now. And NQ is pretty close. ES is not. It's coming, but it ain't nowhere as close as YM and NQ is right now. This might be the one right here. I just wanted to see if the 1 minute was gonna hold, but shit, they want the 30-second. Let's give them the 30-second, bro. And it's a signature sweep of liquidity.
on the 1 minute. It started inside the candle, closed past a swing low. So let's see if that let's see what they want to do. 1039 is a low. Uh that's cool. Y'all, I know y'all ain't about to do that. I know y'all ain't about to do that shit. We are looking at that swing low at 1036 though, and how it just fell through that bitch on the 144 now. I mean, we just not gonna gloss over that and ignore that what just happened there. Is that a volume imbalance at the top? It gapped down and then yep. So we got a gap in the leg going down, so that does count to go down a little bit further. The PSP is at the 1039 candle, 1038. Yeah, 1038 is the candle, bro. Yeah, 1038 is PNP, PSP. Yeah. Let's see if somebody sweeps it. If they don't sweep that, they're going right to that 18 candle that I got marked out down there, and I'll be waiting for the buys in it. If nobody comes back and sweep this, bro, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But if they were smart, they sweep it, go to the 18 candle, and then come back out and take the people who took these sales. That's if they were smart. I mean, they are smart. You know what I'm saying? They'll do it on different days to where they'll fucking do that shit. They'll sweep that, go back down to the entry point, and then come back and wipe everybody that got in on the sale. So if I was them, I'd run that PSP right now and let everybody get in for sales for the people who know about this. And then take it down to that fucking 1018 candle and then come back up and sweep their ass out. Just like they're doing right now. Hey, bro, that's what I would do. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's see if everybody closes above. Let's watch what everybody's doing at that 1018 candle. We're not gonna just sit there and fucking gloss over that motherfucker. Goddamn. That's cool. Uh-huh. That don't count as no damn sweep for me. But that's a 1042 candle. Let's see what they're gonna do, bro. Let's see if they're gonna make this shit easy for us to go for these buys, bro. You trailed out on that first one, didn't you? That you didn't trail out on either one of them? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. First one. Okay. All right. Yeah. You got more than enough, bro. You got more than enough. All right, coming into that 30-second POI. Right. Well, slowly but surely. Inside the macro. Let's go. And nobody swept that 1018 candle. I mean that 1038 candle. Nobody. Which is good. Which is good. Let's see if they want to. Let's see what the fuck these pussies want to do. Do what? Oh, you looking at that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Uh, Yo, they're just like hovering around that 1018, bro. They're just bullshitting with it. It's like right there at it. Literally, all they have to do is wick down in it. They might run that sweep and then run that bitch up here after. Let's see what they want to do. We're still watching it. I'm still watching that 1038 candle, definitely. Then 38 candle coming in hot on YM. They're close. YM is above it. 1038. That 1022, that 1022 candle looks like it's wanting to hold, dude. They might skip out on that 30-second one. 1038 on ES. Let's see. Nope, it didn't close above. YM didn't close above it either. Nor did they wick above the wick. So ES is going above it now. Bro, this is ugly. Because they can still come back down and tap that 30-second one. That 30-second one is like right there, bro. And we got a new hour about to start too. So that's something to be aware of. I'm getting a closure above right now on NQ. I got a closure above on ES. I got a gap down, sweep of liquidity on the low. And if this candle closes above the actual 1042 candle, I'm in on ES. I mean NQ. Let's see what's going on real quick though. Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't do it. You're going to make me put my stop loss all the way down to this fucking lows, dude. God damn. Bro, I can't take that trade, bro. I can take it on fucking demo.
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, that shit loud as fuck. Yeah, NQ swept, ES, well, NQ swept the actual highs. If they close, just gotta wait, bro. Just gotta wait. There's nothing I can do with this bitch. We're still in the macro, so they might fucking want to hold up and come back down to that fucking 30-second still, bro. I don't buy it. I don't fucking buy that shit. I mean, they could, but ES never swept the 1022 candle low. We got that high being printed on the line right now. If they give me a green candle close above the damn fucking 1048 candle, I'm gonna go ahead and get in, dude. But it ain't gonna be no 4 fucking contracts. That's what it's not gonna be. Because the stop loss will have to go goddamn. Psh. Yeah, there you go. Come on back down, baby. Come on, fuck with your boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we ain't got no parameters. I don't know why you're in, bro. You're doing
Order
the same
filled.
thing.
Order
We got no
filled.
parameters, bro. If you're missing out, it's a motherfucker. Yeah, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Like you say,
Order
I'm
filled.
it's gonna never show up again. But I'm telling you, bro, you can't talk your way out of this shit, bro. It's all action.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Looking at the swing high on 144 right now currently. Well, I'm already bullish right now. As of this very second. Not that it means anything. We just wait. I'm waiting for that that 30 second goddamn low. But if this does close above and leave a fair value gap going through the 1048 high and close above the 1038 high as well. Yeah. If it closes above both of those right now and leaves a fair value gap, yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. I don't have them doing that right now. We got plenty more time in the fucking macro, but they can do whatever the fuck they want to do. So let's see how they want to fucking play it. I ain't fucking jumping the gun on these motherfuckers. We got a volume imbalance right there. We do have a volume imbalance at the 49 and 50 candle. The close and the open quarter tick. Cool. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah, they might be ready to go down, dude. I don't see any other volume imbalance that I want to fucking use except for the one on ES. ES closed past the volume imbalance because it closed above. Yeah, ES closed below it. Shit, these bitches might fall for real, for real. God damn. These bitches might fall for real, dude. I'm telling you, man. uh, we back on the line again, dude. High, low, lower high, lower low. If we get a lower low, bro, they might be fucking goddamn about to drop it like it's hot. Let's see. Ain't no fucking telling what these motherfuckers want to do, though. I do know I knew they closed past the volume imbalance. No, not yet. They're about to close past the volume imbalance on the 1 minute. I'm still waiting for these fucking buys. Let's see if they want to give me the buys. If they go down, they go down, bro. I ain't fucking tripping. Because the 3 minute is out of play. The 3 minute is out of play, but the 3 minute just created a low on the line. So I would have to use the current low that's on the 3 minute even to engage in this trade if they were going down. If they were going down. So with that being said, I gotta keep scanning back to the 3 minute. Oh, YM just hit YM just hit that 18 minute. YM just hit the 18 minute. They closed past.
Order filled.
I am. I'm gonna take a buy right now, bro. I'm in. My stop loss is below the 1044 low. Hopefully these bitches stay where they need to be. Yeah, YM swept that motherfucker, dude. Let's see if this bitch hold. Or if they want to keep YM going in another direction and NQ and ES going in the opposite direction. They can do whatever. I get that, but goddamn, if this is the play, this is where it goes at. YM swept that damn low, bro. Fuck. Please stay in alignment. That would be awesome. If not, it is what it is. That means I'm done for the day anyway. Stay in alignment. Stay in alignment, bro. Stay in alignment. I can't move the stop loss. I'm about to get up and go for a walk. I need to go roll me up something. Goddamn, mind my business, dude.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
You got a new 11 o'clock hour coming in as well to be aware of that. I don't have them coming down, bro. I mean, well, I am already swept the POI. So we have to wait. I have to wait this out. I gotta wait this out. All right. I'm going about my business, dude. Let me go twist me up one real quick. My stop loss is set, bro. I'm done. I'm off. we got in on Thursday. Yeah, yeah. Negotiations at least 30 seconds. At least 15 minutes for the 30 seconds. I'll reassess it. As I see it, that 3 minute turnaround was crucial earlier. Like when I say crucial, that shit that happened at 10:15 uh, yeah, was crazy. So I am aware that markets can do whatever the fuck they want to do. I am aware of that thing that happened with the hold spread. Not to say that it's fucking on hold. We're gonna let this bitch rock and roll. I'm gonna go outside and light this motherfucker up, and you can tell me what's going on, brother. I see right now, I'm a motherfucking goddamn fucking see right now. You could have just cashed out in a freaking day, pretty much, dude. I mean, that's only whatever, dude. Ain't a big deal. I think this is one. I got five contracts. I'm gonna take one of these out first, then leave the other one. That's too much. Move that up aggressively right there. Okay, one of them is aggressive. The other one is still staying where they at. And honestly, we're so deep in the probable. This shit that has been so goddamn good. What we got it on the 30-second time frame? What time did we get it? 10:53. Okay, 30-second. Oh, damn, that'd be good. Let me try to. I'm just gonna hold up for minutes. $600 for the trade. Damn, this would have been the minute, bro. Would have been the minute. Oh, let this motherfucker keep going. That's a good fucking trade. That's a good fucking trade, bro. Pinpoint accuracy, bro. Pinpoint accuracy. Like, I can't believe it. Now, where is the question?
I got it above the 1104 candle and the wave.
But it might hold. So let's see. Uh, see if it'll hold, bro. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Let's let it hold. Let them hold, bro. This the one you motherfucker want, bro. This the one you want, bro. This the one you want. Yeah, you should be trailing like thoroughly now, bro. 300 plus, you should be getting out. If you're at 200, yeah, you should be getting aggressive. Yeah, start getting aggressive when it hit that 200 mark, bro. Because you should be back within reason to pull off day-to-day trades at this point in time to pull $200 out the market for this goddamn payout, bro. It shouldn't be, we shouldn't be doing anything else, bro. This was a good fucking trade, dog. Good fucking trade. Let's do it. Whereas right now I'm up 641, 650 on this trade right here. Matter of fact, I'm in break even. I'm not gonna lose anything. Everything is above break even right now. 4 contracts on. 4 contracts on. I took one off. I'm gonna aggressively trail one more. Let him take that. 11 aggressively trail for me. Just one though, but you gotta think I got 4 on right now left. So yeah. So I'm gonna take one off.
Stop
3
filled.
just went off. I still got 3 playing, and 3 will continue to run. I'm still waiting for that S&T, bro. So the other ones are already down there at break even. That's a long way for S&T to occur. So they may come back and sweep the 1102 low. I don't want them to do that, but it is what it is. Yeah, I get it. Matter of fact, I got 3 still on. I don't hate to micromanage this motherfucker, but I'm gonna leave 2 to fucking run. If they come back and get stopped out, they get stopped out. Hopefully they give 3 big ass green candles right now. That'd be fucking amazing. I mean, shit. Damn. Yes, I
Stop
do got to
filled.
retrace. All right, now I got 2 on, and that's a wrap, bro. And they are down there at break even. So I'm not gonna lose anything except for the drawdown of this 250 that is gonna catch me on the intraday if it comes back. So it is what it is. But this right, bro, this was a good fucking trade, bro. Bro, this was a good fucking trade. You out? Okay, cool. Cool, bro. Man, bro, that's a good trade, bro. And all you gotta do that, and you had one on. Now look at what happened and pay attention on what you need to do. That's all, and calculate your moves, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna point you in the wrong direction. I'm not gonna point you at any PSP. I'm not gonna point none of that stuff, bro. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm telling you. And that's what I told you yesterday. Probably less than that. All right. Damn, I'm up fucking that, man. 25,000. You close. Good shit. What low is that just printed, dude? That's 1113. Yeah. Nah, they ain't went nowhere. This is why You got to. This was a. This was kind of based on the 3-minute change in the state of delivery at the bottom down there, bro. This is what, bro. This motherfucker about to go though. This motherfucker about to go. I already know. Let me. Is there any other fucking uh any fucking other goddamn EMAs anywhere? That's what I'm looking for, bro. I it ain't about re-entering, bro. It's a matter of if somebody has an EMA above or something to re-enter on for me. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's gonna go. I think it is gonna continue on based on what has already happened. But you got 1113 as a low. You got right now 1115 being printed as a low as well. Um, yeah, bro, the candles are about to come in, bro. Based on this system, it's about to come in. They might have one more. I don't see a S&P yet, though, dude. I don't see it. Let me see if I can find one. Um, um, I do have a small S&T, but I'm good. I'm not entering nothing else, bro. I ain't got no EMA close to my entry points. So we're gonna let these two contracts continue to fucking float. If they come back and knock us out, they come back and knock us out. Uh, but yeah, there ain't nothing to do about that. But this was textbook. This was textbook. Remember, I said that if we wanted to take a sale, we would have to come back to the that 9-minute volume imbalance that happened on the top sweep at 8:42. I don't know if you remember that, but uh, hell, that would have been a sale right there to take it down. It came back to it, and then you could have took that motherfucker, but I wasn't fucking looking for it to take though. So, but 1116 is printing right now. 1116 is printing right now. It just closed. It is a low too, bro. It is a low. Uh, yeah, that's cool. It doesn't matter. It just means it just needs to be a low on a swing low ATT time. That's it. Or high. I mean, because it's both of them at the same time. So, I mean, shit on the 1 minute anyway. So I guess they're gonna use the high. I'm waiting for another S&T, dude. If I see another entry, I'll fucking take it. But as of right now, I don't see. I don't see. It's got to give me the parameters, bro. It's not no. I'm entering here because um, I'm looking for spool in ICT per ICT. He said it's the last swing low at after 10. I mean, it would need to come down some more. And I don't know about that shit, but either way, I'm still holding. I don't give a fuck. They can stop me out of this bit. I just know this motherfucker was a good trade. I need to get comfortable with it. I still by all the rules. Thank you, Father. You blessed me to follow every parameter today, not even deviate once. We held a trade for the duration before we started making decisions on the 30-minute input. So that was cool. I'm with that. Now we got to just start doing that shit on the fucking 1 minute and hold the motherfuckers for yeah. Where's my sheet? Where's my paper at, dude? Oh, that's okay. That's 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't have anything. But and this is why I'll move. This is exactly why I don't move. Because they know people are trailing out, and then they want to take them out before they continue on. That's why that's why these times are set. You're gonna see it happen too. I promise. They waited around a couple of candles before they moved for us. Actually, they moved pretty quick this time. But watch what happens here. Yeah. All right. So notice what we did this morning as well, bro. How we found all the POIs. How we talked about the POIs on the 9 minute. Definitely go back and play the stream on the narrative of how we got it straight. Don't just try to remember. Watch it again. It's just a small segment of time. I ain't talking about watching the whole stream. Find the segment where we were engaging and talking strictly about the entry, and then follow it on your computer. You know what I'm saying? it's gonna dial you in. Yeah, yeah. We do have a. Hold on, dude. Yeah, we got an SMT right now, dude. Yeah, we got an SMT right now between YM and ES and NQ. YM just took out that low over there to the left at 11:05. So I don't fucking goddamn like it, but as a matter of fact, you could. The stop loss would go below the actual low right here now, if you do it. You know something? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
The 11:18 low for me as of right now, and I'm gonna move my other stop losses up because I don't want them to come back and draw down none of them in the first place. So. Boom. That's 3. 11, 14. I see what you're saying. Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. So I got 3 on. And I'm gonna leave that below that same low that you got it on now. That's a wrap for me. If they want to come back, they can come back. Other than that, I'm done. I'm done for the day. That's a good place to be. Make sure you are watching that shit, bro. Don't just fucking turn your back on this motherfucker, dude. Because it's gonna when it goes, you need to be trailing out. At least give you 2 candles. This play right here should be at least another $100, bro. And then go back and play this same part of the stream as well on how we got the re-entry based on YM's SMT. When I say there's always a second SMT based on this strategy, bro, bro, I'm telling you all the plays, bro. If you're listening, I mean, it is what it is. But go back and look at the SMT on MNQ and YM, and look what they did in order for me to call this trade. They did the same thing. They swept the low, left the fair value gap, and immediately closed above the fair value gap. It's the same procedure as we get in on the original entry. Same shit with the SMT. Same shit, bro. So I am. I'm just talking to you. I'm talking to the screen. I'm talking about the plays. So it's just picking it up. I mean, so yeah. I should have put a goddamn mini on that bitch. That's what I should have did, but I ain't about to do all that. That would have been a good play though. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Here we go, bro. This is where we gonna kick in at. Oh, YM just had a little bit of a retracement. Let's see if these motherfuckers want to do. Yeah, you should be a break even now. Don't let that shit come back, bro. I forgot where you got in at, but don't let that shit go to break even, bro. I mean, don't let it go below break even. But you should be good for another green candle, honestly. I've seen it 100 times, bro. Seen it 100 times. Matter of fact, you should be good for like 2 more green candles, honestly. I ain't gonna say any bullshit. After that second SMT happens, shit starts happening. Yeah, shit starts happening after the second SMT, bro. So, yeah. Yeah, see what I'm talking about, bro? Right, man. I know these motherfuckers like the back of my motherfucking hand, goddamn. So every stop loss is up now. I'm gonna aggressively trail 2, and I'm gonna leave 2 on the run, and I'm gonna put the stop loss below the 11:21 candle, and that's gonna do me for the rest of the day, dude. So that's a wrap. $11.23 candle. Okay, I see. Yep, I see you, brother. I see it. We should be getting another green candle. We should be getting another green candle from here too. So at least one more. So take your profits within reason, sir, knowing where you are for the day, and then replay this shit on God. Yeah, replay this shit on fucking loop, bro. And you should really understand what the fuck we looked at the whole session to get into this trade, bro. And if you don't see the lines and you got a question about it, ask me and I'll backtrack it with you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay. I mean, however. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, brother? Yeah, it's that type. This is that kind of move right here. This is one. This is the one that you dream about, got darn fucking trading every day in the markets. And this is one of those ones where you can trade once a week and make somebody's weekly income type shit. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Because had you not trailed out the first time, it would have been up at least fucking $400-$500 almost. At least 4, right? No, I'm talking about if you had left it on, the other one's on. If you had put 2 on the first time, you'd be up at least 400 plus. Is what I'm saying. That's your weekly work week, bro. In a matter of an hour, is what I'm telling you. Yeah, yeah. You should be, bro. You have more than enough, bro. We're taking base hits. Let's take base hits. I'm getting aggressive with 2 of them. I'm getting aggressive with. Yeah, I'm at the low of the 11:26 candle right now. For me, I got 1 right on the tail of the current candle. I got 2 further down at
Stop
the
filled.
11:21 candle. They can stay there, and I'm gonna hold those 2 for the rest of the day. Huh? Oh yeah. Current. Good. That's perfect. And now I am moving up the stops now on these last 2. I'm not staying below the 11:21 candle anymore. That's no good for me. I'm gonna find the next ATT time. 11:23 is where I'm at for my stop losses for the last 2 that I'm gonna have on. I still got 3 on. It ain't trailed me out yet, but I'm kind of. Man, there's a whole bunch of them in that leg, bro. Every candle has a volume imbalance. So you can try to gauge it whatever you want to. I mean, I ain't saying one wrong or one right, but I wouldn't try to gauge none of them. If I was you, I'd be aggressively trailing. So I can be up goddamn going in the next week with goddamn a good cushion up under my ass. So yeah, because we're not trading anymore today. This is it. This is it. I'm cutting this bitch off. I'm cutting the computer off after this one. That's it. This was the best trade ever, bro. In my opinion, in my book of what I wrote down of all the rules and everything that I followed, this was the best trade I've ever executed. Especially targeting that 30 second low that I had marked out to a T. If you recall it, you'll hear it on the playback at 30 seconds. I know you remember it, so it'd be better if you see it. If you pull your trade evade up, and look at it, and go to the 30-second to understand what I was looking at, and then look at the 30-second on YM on how I got in it, that'd do you even more justice. So I would suggest you open up your trade evade, bro, for sure. I'm out on my third. No, It didn't kick me out yet. It didn't kick me out yet. What time is that? 11:29. That is the ATT time as well. I'm right up under that one for it, but my third contract. If it kicks me out, it does. But the other two are still below the 11:23 candle. So I think that's gonna do me for the stream. So we're gonna end this, and we're gonna have a great day. We had a great fucking trade. Thank you, Father, for guiding my vision, guiding my eyes. And we're gonna do it again next week. So hope everybody had a good trading day. Have a good day. Oh, look what it